Another video from Arizona Hat Homestead. Let's see what it's all about. Thanks for tuning in, Jeff, Arizona Hat Homestead. Do you have some friends have Dewalt batteries, Milwaukee battery or tools, Milwaukee tools, Milwaukee batteries, Dewalt batteries, tools, and yet here you are with Ryobi tools and their batteries don't fit in yours? Guess what? I found something that allows a person with Dewalt or Milwaukee batteries to use them in a Ryobi tool. It's genius! Who would have thunk it? So, this works for me because my brother-in-law is a big Dewalt fan. I'm a big Ryobi fan. So, sometimes when he comes to help, he's got a Ryobi tool, he's got to bring his own batteries. Well, Ryobi batteries don't fit in a Dewalt tool, but I can make those Dewalt batteries fit in my tools and use up his batteries. You like that idea? So, save my batteries and use his? Pretty smart, huh? So, let me show you this little adapter I found. Check it out. Alright, so check this out. So, see how this Ryobi tool has this shaft here, I guess? Well, obviously, they were smart in doing this because now you can't use their batteries in Dewalt tools. But if you take this adapter, you can slide it onto, I don't have a Dewalt battery or Milwaukee battery, but slide it onto their batteries and boom, there's your shaft and it becomes a Ryobi battery. Even the 20 volt stuff will work. Here's some information on the adapter itself. See, 20 volt max to 18 volt adapter. Isn't that beautiful? Now you can't charge with this, so don't use this to charge, but you can use it in the tool itself. Now, check this out. It even has a USB. So, here's what you can do. What is that? That says what? Oh, it's only a 2.1 amp. So it's only a 2.1, it's not 3. But that's okay, 2.1 is better than a 1. So here's the deal. You put this on your Dewalt battery, and you can charge your phone. Put this on your Dewalt battery, and you can plug it into, I don't know, plug it into your Ryobi tool. Just like that. Imagine a Dewalt battery sitting underneath it. How genius is this? Huh? Look at that. And then you can use your Ryobi tool. I love this thing. So, it's a Dewalt to Ryobi battery adapter. Just came in a basic box. I don't know if that's helpful or not. I'll put a link down in the description field. I just bought it on Amazon. It's actually very cheap. It's actually so cheap that you probably just want to have it just to have it. See, the slides on like that. Just how beautiful is that? Even sweet. That's all I wanted to show you. That was it for this video. So, brother-in-law, guess what? Bring all your Dewalt batteries because we can use them. I'll just use this. Hey, I might need a second one for him too. Anyhow, see you, bye, have fun. Whoops. See you, bye, have fun.